Menteri Rangba ka jila Konrad ki sangma henni ka sngila pensyai ba ka Sorkar jila kamdan kanu ka Jingthmu ban Shimti no ay ki school deficit lani ban pensange no ay ki jing yarap ka ba laju ay shaki. Ula banjur ba ka Jingterwa jang ka Meghalaya Education Grant kadang dan Hapdeng ka jing yakren bat ansapen bed bahaya ka katkum ka jing mud na kinong Shimbenta. Shuaya kani Menteri Katanat Puli Puti urakam sangma ula pentip ha kayeng dorbar ba kajela kadon lai hajar lai spa andri pawai teli ki school deficit lower primary praspa prapawai teli ki school he deficit ar hajar lai spa andri polai teli ki school deficit secondary but she spa prapon rio teli ki school he deficit.
Discussion, the option of the MEG is also put up for feedback and information from the schools. What do you think about this? Please tell us. If education can be streamlined and lesser groups and categories can be created, sir, it is beneficial for the education sector as a whole. But in the complexity of the education sector, it is not an easy task. We have no intention to bulldoze, sir. No intention to bulldoze, no intention to go and just simply take over all the schools. No intention to stop deficit pattern, no sir. But since demands have come, it is the duty of the department and the government to examine, to explore, to discuss, and that is what we are doing right now.